hope say we dey all right. We don't come again for this our entertainment news. If you never subscribe, make una do well to go subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, make una not forget to always share our video. Share around. When people know say something they sup for this our channel, when people know wetin they go on around the world. And always they drop your comments. Want know wetin they think concerning any matter what they drop for this our channel. Make una dey like and make una dey share. Everybody remember this girl now, Mmesoma wey fake her jam results. She come call this activist, human rights activist. Come talk say she don't tire. Say she don't know wetin happen. She don't know wetin get into her way. She make her do that kind of thing. We all know say innocent motor they don't withdraw. Say no more scholarship for her since she not to get that score. Since she forged jam, she like put, so they don't withdraw. You can't feel bad, say people don't they support her. Nobody go want support bad thing now. So she for a man now, she wants to commit suicide, all those kind of mara. Now she can even call the activists, they cry. Now so the activists so can feel bad. Say the activist talk say himself post on for his social media page that time where if you say na jam fault without to investigate. Say but that one not mean say as the girl can still come and come talk truth. He tell and say why he go do that. That one not mean say he can still the cause or judge am. And we all know say nobody perfect for this life. The activist now shall come see her. At least she can't dey light up a bit and her mood be changed. Yeah, she was kind of happy in the video. But my own be say make we try lay low for this game matter because we will not come hear another story again last. I go play on the video, make una watch and make una hear wetin this boy talk for this video. I bet make una watch this video.
It's Mmesoma. Okay.
Good evening, everyone. Today I came to see Mmesoma because I received an SOS call from her, saying she wants to kill herself or commit suicide. All right. To her father, I've been talking to her father, and she now called me, and she said that, and I was worried, and I have to leave Asaba down to Newi, and I met her, and I also encouraged her, not to take her own life because of what has happened. Mistakes, everybody makes mistakes, we have people today they for government to wait for the result this year, and so sometimes we let go for most of those things. So if person do bad and they come say, I'm sorry, I do bad, man, I forgive you, I think it's better let it go. And please, from what she has said, I asked that because I've been on going to issue of result fake or not fake. We all support her when that thing happen. I even made a post on my page, but now we don't the best. I don't want to verse to say we support something we will not investigate to, everybody will support them, all of them will support them. I beg, no one forgive and let go. You understand? And she don't discover the truth. So for me, why I'm here, because I don't want her to just go and kill herself because of what has happened. Mistakes happens. There's no perfect man, perfect woman. But I beg, she has promised to come to the public and apologize.
Mistakes always happen. But one thing in life is how do you correct mistakes? What happens? Understand? I heard your story. I heard what happened. We also protect the way what happened. But at this point, you need to protect your mental health. Your parents need to with you, your relative and everybody. Including us too. Most of us, nobody is perfect. There's no perfect human being. But thank God we have all our lessons. So we are with you, no matter how it is.
People, I don't watch the video. What's my thing concerning this matter? I would like to know our opinion concerning this matter as it be. What do you think? It makes sense like this. As people then now they talk bad of her, I will make a look concerning this thing. I would like to know. Drop my comment for comment section. Now this one we get today for our news zone. We're gonna do it to like and share. Until we meet again for another news, we're gonna stay safe. Una do.